Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys Wi-Fi setting, and today video title guys how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. Friends, you want to pair Wi-Fi network with QR codes, and how to pair Wi-Fi network with QR code, and friends you want to join any Wi-Fi network without entering any password, so how to join network. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and turn on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi in your Redmi mobile, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh your Wi-Fi setting, when this phone friends I have connected network. So guys I will on Wi-Fi setting and I will right click share option, click here. And friends in your Redmi mobile, what will you have to do friends? Click here scanner icon, and friends you can see place QR code inside the frame and you can join Wi-Fi network after scan QR code. So when scan QR code, after scan friends you can see Wi-Fi will connect automatic and we can use Wi-Fi without entering any password. So friends Wi-Fi network will connect automatic and guys now you can use it. So friends you want to on YouTube app, you want to use Google app, Chrome app, Instagram, WhatsApp app, so you can on and you can use it. So like that friends we can connect Wi-Fi network, we can pair Wi-Fi network with QR code. So I hope friends you understood how to connect Wi-Fi with QR code. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.